Savasana is the corpse pose, or known as final relaxation, at the end of our yogic practice. Be it asana, be it pranayama, we take time for the final relaxation to remain still and be at the end of our practice. Yoga unites opposites. Action needs restorations. So after the active doing or controlling, using our senses, we take time to let go everything and then just to be. And this time of Savasana is really, really important because this is the time when all the benefits are coming into our entire body. We soak up all the benefits of the practice at this time. As we lay down on the floor, without moving as a corpse, as a dead body, our mind is calm, our consciousness is awake. Physically speaking, the blood pressure lowers, heart rate decreases, and the muscle tensions also softens. Central nervous systems calm down, parasympathetic nervous system is more dominant, and we are in a deep, relaxed state. Every tissues are softened and regenerated. Energetically, all the life force energy, prana, that we've cultivated during the practice gets distributed every part of our subtle energetic body. This is also a sacred time for our spirit to be more alive, and we really embrace this connection of soul, mind, and body. And this time of surrendering is incredibly healing and empowering. I really invite you and encourage you to make a Savasana as a priority at the end of your practice. General recommendation, if your practice is half an hour, take at least 5 minutes of Savasana. If your asana practice is longer than 1 hour, then take around 10 minutes of Savasana. And be looking forward, be excited for this time of Savasana, because this is the deep, connecting, sacred time coming home to ourselves. May we meet on the yoga mat for the practice together.